Uh, Good day, viewers. This is our continuation of our solution of the past Q of JAM 2024. We have solved from question 1 to 10, and now we have jumped up to question 11. Let's see how we'll attack this or how we'll tackle it. The question 11 states that in how many ways can 6 people sit around a table? We have an option here A 120, B 240, 60, and 30. As you can see, this question is asking us for the arrangement or how many ways 6 people can sit on this thing. So we know that we have jumped up to permutation and combination. And the formula for this, we always knows that the formula of finding the permutation of such question is n minus 1 close bracket factorial, which is the same thing as, but our n here is 6. So we will simply write this 6 minus 1 factorial, and this is nothing but 5 factorial. And the 5 factorial is nothing but 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. As you can see it from here, 5 multiplied by 4, it will give us 20. And then 20 multiplied by 3, it will give us 60. 60 multiplied by 2, it will give us 120. 120 multiplied by 1, it will remain 120. So as a candidate who sit for writing the JAM, if you see this kind of question, if here is 2, your answer just it will be 1 factorial. If it is 10, it will be 9 factorial. Always you will subtract 1 from the given numbers. You will subtract 1 from it. If it is 20, you will just press 9 factorial in your calculator. It will just show you the answer directly without doing all this. And from here, we can see that our option here is nothing but 120. Whenever you are solving a JAM question, always look at the question first. If you see that you can solve it without writing anything, if you can point it in a calculator, it's better for you to use that because you don't have much time for all this. I'm doing this just to explain how we can tackle this, but it's not necessarily we must use pen in solving this. Some, if you see them, just you will press it in a calculator, especially statistic probability and some part of this. As we can see how we tackle that the determinant, how to find a determinant of a given matrix. We can see that how we can use it in a given calculator. But probably maybe the JAM may give you a calculator that maybe it's not a scientific calculator. But always knows that you must know some of the way or simple strategies that you can attempt this question in a calculator without any writing, because the question is much. And every single question that it happens that you can attempt it at a time, you can jump it up and solve the next question. Whenever you finish anything, if you have enough time, then you will come and attempt them in order not to waste time in attempting a question that you don't know. May God see us through. Thank you.